Seriously, America is quietly building something that is shocking the world, and most people don't even realize how big it is yet. This is not one secret weapon. It's not one machine. It's something much deeper. The United States is building a completely new way of fighting wars, using artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and smart battlefield networks. And here's the twist. It doesn't look dramatic from the outside. There are no giant robots walking around, no movie-style weapons everywhere. Instead, the real power is hidden inside software, data, and small intelligent machines that can think, react, and move faster than humans ever could. That's what makes it so dangerous and so powerful. Right now, the US military is working on systems that can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. Imagine a battlefield where information is coming from drones, satellites, sensors, and communication systems all at once. A human can't process all of that fast enough, but AI can. It can detect threats. It can predict movement. It can suggest actions. And it can do all of this almost instantly. Now think about what that means. In war, speed is everything. The side that sees first, understands first, and reacts first usually wins. AI gives that advantage. But this is just the beginning. The US is also developing large numbers of autonomous systems, especially drones. Not just a few expensive ones, but thousands of smaller, smarter, cheaper units. These can spread across air, land, and sea. Some can scout, some can defend, some can confuse the enemy. And here's the key idea. They are designed to work together. Not as individual machines, but as a network. This changes everything. Because instead of relying on a few powerful weapons, the strategy shifts to many smart systems working at once. Even if some are lost, the system keeps functioning. That makes it more flexible and harder to stop. At the same time, AI is being used in defense systems too. For example, detecting and stopping enemy drones automatically. Small drones have become a major threat in modern warfare. They are cheap, fast, and hard to track. AI helps identify and destroy them quickly, even before humans fully react. So this technology is not just about attacking, it's also about protecting. But here's where the story becomes more intense. Because the real change is happening in decision-making. AI is not just helping machines move, it is helping humans decide. Commanders can now receive instant analysis, risk predictions, and suggested actions. What used to take minutes or hours can now happen in seconds. That sounds powerful, but it also creates pressure. Because when decisions become faster, humans may start depending more on machines, and that raises a serious question. How much control do humans really have? Officially, the US says humans remain in control. AI is meant to assist, not replace. There are strict principles about responsible use, safety, and control. Systems are designed to be monitored, tested, and even shut down if needed. But in reality, the faster everything moves, the harder it becomes to slow down and question the machine. That's where the risk lies. Another important point is that this is not happening in isolation. Other countries are also developing AI and autonomous systems. This has created a global race. And no country wants to fall behind. So the US is moving fast, not just to innovate, but to stay ahead. This includes programs focused on rapidly building and deploying thousands of autonomous systems in a short time. The goal is clear: create scale, speed, and adaptability. Because future wars may not be slow and predictable. They may be fast, complex, and heavily driven by intelligent systems. Now imagine this kind of battlefield. Drones scanning the area, AI analyzing targets, defense systems reacting instantly, commanders receiving real-time suggestions. Everything connected, everything moving quickly. This is not science fiction anymore. This is the direction modern warfare is heading. And here's the most important thing to understand. The real weapon is not just the machine. The real weapon is the system. A system where AI, humans, and autonomous tools work together as one network. A system that can learn, adapt, and respond faster than traditional military structures. That is what makes this so shocking. Because it doesn't arrive with one big moment. It grows quietly, step by step, system by system, upgrade by upgrade, until, suddenly, the entire way of fighting has changed. And by the time most people notice it, it's already in motion. That's why this matters. Because America is not just building new weapons. It is redesigning warfare itself. And once that transformation is complete, there is no going back.